how to use Builder.io. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create an account and how you can actually use this AI tool. So to get started, follow the steps. Step 1. Sign up and dashboard overview. Go to Builder.io and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you see the dashboard with pages to create and manage website pages, components reusable design blocks, data models for dynamic content, integrations to connect with Shopify, WordPress, and more. Step 2. Create a new page. Click Create New Page and choose a blank page or a template. Name your page and open the drag and drop editor. Step 3. Add and customize elements. Drag elements like text, images, buttons, and grids onto the page. Click on any element to edit text, colors, fonts, and spacing. Use the right side panel to adjust layout, padding, and animations. Step 4. Add dynamic content. Connect Builder.io to a CMS or API for real-time content updates. Use dynamic data bindings to pull live content into your page. Step 5. Optimize for SEO and performance. Go to SEO settings and add meta titles and descriptions. Use alt text for images to improve search ranking. Enable lazy loading to make the page load faster. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.